This vehicle is built by Maurer, Starliner brand as they call it, and it's been individually tailor-made for a specific client to the client's individual specifications. So you can't buy this on the market anywhere, unless of course it came up as a used model. Let's have a look at it inside. Rear entrance, and from here we've got a stack of storage, but let's walk down to the front of the van first. Isn't the van wide? Well, that's because of the slide out. The thing is, the slide out I think is so well done you can't really tell where it is. Well, of course it's there, but it really looks good. I mean, often I've said before with slide outs, you know, when they get American vehicles, they've got these slide outs that just seem daft, the layouts to put in. But in this case, it is really very nice. It all blends in to give this huge amount of floor space down here, but in 6 meters 30. So it's even shorter than my van. Let's have a look at some of the features. Obviously built to order, so that's what people want. Television there. There's another television over here. Why is there 2 televisions? Well, it depends. If you're in bed, they're in bed. Up there, they can watch telly. If they're sitting down here, they can watch telly. Over there, we've got the bed is operated electronically. Massive table here. The client is, in this case, from Sweden, which I think explains the decor somewhat. You know, sort of. One learns after a while with the motorhomes what people want in individual home decor. Maybe I've been hanging around with this for too long. I've learned to tell the colour schemes that people seem to want depending on the nationality. Of course, in my case, I tend to take a Mediterranean one more, which may reflect the way I am. As you can see, it's on a Mercedes base, and it's an automatic engine. Now, I bet you want to see these rather nice looking lockers. Comes out like that, and a bit of space up there. Kitchen, 2 oven hobs, sink. You could do a bit of prep up on the sink, or you do it somewhere else. There you have the Dometic fridge, and here we have all this additional storage as well. I'll open it up so you can see. Obviously below all this is the garage, and we'll see the garage in just a moment. Okay. Sliding wardrobe. More space down here, which has been locked, and I understand why they've got something in there. Let's go into the shower. I think this looks like a shower in a luxury hotel. Oh, there's the shower unit. It's profiled, so the water goes down there. You've got a quality shutter on it, which looks as though it's going to give many years of use. We've got this clever little window there, gives a little bit light, although the dark wood does make it a bit darker. Toilet and heater. This sink is a little bit smaller, and this lid will come up. This vehicle is fresh from the factory. Came from the factory straight to the fair. It's still got the factory smell about it. It is obviously built to order, but there's one thing I do want to point out, as always. You've got completely flat floor, so you're not tripping up over anything. Obviously, it's well insulated, double floor, and so it can keep you nice and warm in winter. Huge skylight, air conditioning, and the vent there. Let's have a look at the garage. It's a Vespa. It must be getting on a bit. That Vespa's probably almost as old as I am. But that's what the owner wants. And it comes out electronically, and you'll be able to slide it off, or he'll be able to slide it off like that.